Downloading account statements on Mercado Pago is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your financial records. Step 1. Open the Mercado Pago app. Launch the Mercado Pago application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your statements. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once you are in the app, look for the account or profile section, usually represented by your profile picture or an icon. Tap on it to enter your account settings. Step 3. Select Statements or Reports. In the account section, find the option labeled Statements, Reports, or something similar. This will take you to the area where you can view and download your financial statements. Step 4. Choose the statement period. You will see options to select the time period for the statement you want to download. Choose the desired dates of the specific month for which you need the statement. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the period, look for a download button or icon. Tap it to download the statement to your device. You may have the option to save it as a PDF or another file format. Now you can easily access your account statements whenever you need them.